Flangeless ceiling applications are yet another feature of the M series. This installation video will show you how to achieve that flush and seamless look. Insert the mud plate into the opening until it is flush, making sure the front side with the DMF logo is facing out. Using the included screws, mount the mud plate to the ceiling, then remove the tape. Ensure that the cover is fully inserted and is flush with the frame edge. Apply the mud. Allow to dry, and then sand it down until it is flush with the frame edge. Repeat until desired smooth surface is achieved. Remove the cover, and paint the ceiling. Make the ground wire connection and attach the factory installed ground wire terminal to the junction box per national and local electrical code. Align the trim onto the module. Turn the trim clockwise until secure. Connect the module connector. Place the module into the junction box. Push the trim up until it is flush with the ceiling.